ladies, do these 15 things and men will always chase you. Ladies, take a step back and let them do the shadowing. You know exactly what we are talking about. It's time to understand how to make a man chase you. Currently, men assume we're going to chase them, and the funny thing is, we do. We stalk them on Facebook and Instagram. We show up at their favorite club. We befriend his musketeers. We do it all. So that's how to change it and learn how to make a man chase you rather. But now, you have to shake up the pattern. Men have come too comfortable. Stop chasing them. Yes, it's going to be boring without the drama. But why do not you let someone work to get to know you? Women enjoy being asked, and you may be wondering how to get him to chase you. One of the most egregious labels of advisability is getting a man to pursue you. Men also get thrilled to quest. When they try to win you over, you appear to be a prized possession for them. Still, once they have won you over, they may come perfunctory and cease putting in any trouble. So ladies, do these 15 things and men will chase you instantly. But before starting, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload a video. Also, do not forget to share this video with your bestie, maybe she needs it. So let's begin. 1. Stop chasing. First and foremost, you must stop chasing men. As women have come more independent, they've come more aggressive when it comes to courting and pursuing men. And this is fine in numerous cases, but when dealing with certain guys, we must change our courting game up. When you chase after this specific type of Joe, you are taking away that rush that comes from engaging in app pursuit. However, he'll have no interest if a man sees you as an easy subjection. Indeed, though it seems silly that only the man should be the one calling and asking for dates, not chasing is one way to guarantee he will be more interested in chasing after you. Of course, you will want to be responsive to the chase else. It may feel as though you are not interested, and he will move on to someone differently. When it comes to the chase, some women will make themselves fully unapproachable, and when the man moves on, they have a hard time understanding where they went wrong. You want to be unapproachable, but still show him you are interested, which is what is going to keep this game going. 2. Start enjoying your own life. Men are attracted to women that have their own interests, pursuits, and musketeers. In the morning of any relationship, we want to spend a lot of our time with them. But we need to let the relationship breathe. One of the reasons that he's attracted to you is because of your interests. If you lose them, you'll lose one of the reasons he liked you in the first place. She does not need a relationship for her happiness, but wants one to add to her formerly fulfilled life. This is important because he cannot be the one to fill any void. Both need to be in a good place so that they are not indigent in the relationship. 3. Taking the lead. Let's be honest. It's delicate for men to keep taking the lead, whether in exchanges or opinions while you're together. Having a woman who doesn't wince down from taking the lead and initiating in different situations is a major turn on for a man and makes a woman incontinently more desirable in his eyes. 4. Be a challenge, rather of doing the hard work. Produce situations where he has do the chasing rather. Do not be the hopeless, indigent, and always eager to please Joe. Come across as an important Joe, who has a lot going on in his life and would not go after a woman. Rather, make the riddle factor and draw them towards you. 5. Norms. A woman who does not give in too readily and sets a good standard is commodity extremely charming. The thing about people is they want to feel like they have got a prize and they have earned the stylish out there. This makes them forget what makes a man fall deeply in love with a woman and the gratuities that come with it. And if you work on yourself, this thing literally drives men crazy. You need to concentrate only on yourself. You need not look like Angelina Jolie to attract a man. Dress well, smell good, and transudate confidence. These are enough to get a man to notice you. A good personality helps draw the attention of men who are majestic and worth chasing after. 6. Stimulate him with intelligence. Men love intelligent women who can make a chase intriguing by using their smarts to show him that she's interested, but to get her, they'll have to up his game. So when you spend time with him, make sure he notices how smart you are. 7. Have some riddle, so you can burp the ABCs. But he doesn't have to know that right now. Leave that for the 5th date. You also do not have to open up and tell him about your family drama or wants connections. Save that for laterally and leave a little riddle. 8. Lower is more. Still, do not shoot him an essay. If you are texting each other, actually, no boom. Likes to read runners of textbook on a smartphone. Keep your dispatches short and sweet. Leave your words for when you two go on a date. 9. Stay busy. When trying to get a Joe to chase you, being unapproachable is a key. You will keep him guessing who's enwrapping all of your time. You do not want Mr. Right to suppose that he's the center of your macrocosm. This will make him wonder about his competition, and he'll want to invite you indeed more. So now is the time to make plans and do the effects you have always wanted. Go to the sand, subscribe up for classes, and visit new hot spots. Whatever you do, just always be busy. Go out with your musketeers, visit your family. Find a hobby horse that will keep you distracted. What you do not want to do is get wearied, because this is when you are going to miss him the most and want to reach out. If you have a life of your own, you are going to be happy with seeing him formally in a while, which will keep your relationship fresh and new. The lower time you have for him, the more he is going to miss you and want to spend time with you. 10. Being an equal. Although a man's natural instinct to mollycoddle this woman is commodity that cannot fully be washed down, there are still areas that have changed. Our ultra-modern society is each about equivalency and effects, like unyoking the bill into equal on your dates and taking opinions in a relationship as equals is surely a big reason why a man would be attracted to a woman. 11. Passionate women. Women are fierce and strong, and men are always agitated to see them do what they do stylish. They appreciate a woman having a strong sense of passion and a thrilling tang for life that keeps her predicated and gemstone solid at the same time. Men like women who are passionate about commodity in life. Your determination to follow a passion makes you look seductive. So, try to pursue commodity you are passionate about and get busy with it. However, let him know about it if you formerly have a passion. 12. Flirt with him. You have got to get your flirt on if you want a man to chase you. Make eye contact, smile, tease him a bit, playfully touch him on the arm. Or still differently, you like to work your mojo. Principally, be a delightful person whenever you are together. Everyone loves to have fun. 13. Mimic his movements and erraticisms. When you are around your Joe, subtly image his postures, movements, erraticisms, and facial expressions. Studies show that this can make him want to interact with you more and increase his passions of magnet. Enough easy, right? 14. Let him know that you have other options. If you have only started dating this Joe lately, also it's important to not put all of your eggs into one handbasket until you know for sure that you have commodity real with this Joe. Let him know that you have other options and that he's not the only one in your life just yet. This is a common error that women make to beforehand on in dating a Joe. Do not stick to one man to beforehand on if you have only been dating for a little while. Also, there's still a good chance that it will not work out. 15. Be sexy. Now, you do not have to dress like someone you're not, but you can amp up your sexiness by enhancing features that you naturally have. No, I do not mean get your lips filled, but you can wear a plumping camo or show off your angles. Men are visual, so it will drive him crazy. So this is all for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload a video. Also, do not forget to comment down below what are the traits you would like to have to make a man chase you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.